Hello everyone, I am Sukirti. I am an educator, guiding, helping and motivating students from last so many years. Welcome to my channel Learn, Practice, Achieve. Today we will discuss real number. Last part of this real number, that is exercise 1.2, and in this exercise I will give you some special tips and tricks so that you can solve all the problems easily and quickly. So let's start. Now question number 6. In question number 6 it is given that explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. First of all, we should know what are composite numbers. So composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. Okay, so from this question we have to find out whether this number has more than two factors or not, then only we can prove whether it is a composite number or not. Okay, so take this number 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, and in the first part of this number 13 is given and in between plus sign is there, then 13 is given, so we can take 13 as common. So if we will take 13 as common, the remaining numbers inside the bracket are 7 into 11, then plus sign, you have taken 13 from here, so 1 is left. So this is equal to 13 inside the bracket 7 into 11, 77 plus 1 equal to 13 into 78. Now we will find out the prime factorization of 78. When we will find out the prime factorization, divide by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. Again it will go by 3, 13 and 13, 1. So this can be written as 13 into, in place of 78, you can write 2 into 3 into 13. So because in this question there are 4 factors, so that is why we can say it is a composite number. Okay, in the same way, if we will find out the second part, that is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Again here 5 and 5 both are common, so we can take 5 as common factor. So 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, and this 5 we will remove because we have already taken 5, so no need to write this 5. Okay, into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1, then this is equal to 5 multiplied by 7 6 are 42 into 4 3s are 12, 12 into 2 24 plus 1. This is equal to 5 into 1008, and this is plus 1. This is equal to 5 into 1009. Here both 5 and 1009 are prime numbers. Okay, so we can't find out more factors for 5 or 1009, but 5 has another factor, that is 1, and also 1009 has another factor 1, so we can write multiply 1. So in this question, if you will see this, it has 3 factors, 5, 1009 and 1, so it is again a composite number. So that is why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are both composite numbers. Now I will give you some special tips and tricks related to prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, so first special tip is product of two prime numbers is always composite. Let's take any two prime number. So the smallest prime number if you will take, that is 3, and another prime number, suppose we will take 5. So 3 into 5 is 15, and 15 is a composite number. In the same way, if we will take any other number, suppose we will take 7 into 11. Again, we will get 77, and this is also a composite number. So, when we will multiply any two prime numbers, we will always get a composite number. Again, the second tip is product of a prime and a composite number is always a composite number. Suppose we will take one prime number, let it be 3, multiply with a composite number, suppose it is 6. So 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Again, 18 is a composite number. Okay. And if we will take any other prime number, let it be 5, multiply with 8. Again, we will get 40, and 40 is also a composite number. So whenever we will multiply a prime number and a composite number, we always get a composite number. Whenever we will multiply a prime number with a composite number, we will get a composite number. So in both the cases, prime number with composite number, that is composite. Prime number with prime number, again we will get composite number. So these are the tips for prime numbers and composite numbers. Now, if a number is given, how do you know that that number is prime or composite? So there are certain tricks to find out whether a number is a prime number or a composite number. So if it is a composite number, you know that if the last digit, either it is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then it is a composite number, means it is divisible by 2. Or if it is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. So again it is a composite number. Okay, so in this way, by using different divisibility rule, we can find out whether a number is composite or not. But if a number is given, then we have to find out whether it is a prime number or composite number. Prime number is a little bit difficult. Composite number, we have divisibility test. So from the divisibility test only, we can find out a number is composite or not. So suppose we will take the number 67. Okay, now how to know that this number is a prime number or a composite number? So for this, first we have to find out the nearest square number which is just greater than this number. So let's find out the nearest square number. Suppose we will take 8 square, so that is equal to 64. But 64 is less than 67, so we can't take this number. So the nearest square number which is more than this, which exceeds 67, is 9 square. And 9 9 is 81. And 81 is greater than 67. Now what you have to do, because we have taken 9 square, now we have to find out all the prime numbers below 9. Okay, so the prime numbers below 9 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now check whether 67 is divisible by 2 or not. 67 will not be divisible by 2 because the last digit is 7. And again it is not divisible by 3 because 6 plus 7 is equal to 13, and 13 is not divisible by 3. Now again last digit is 7, so it will not be divisible by 5. And 7, in the table of 7, 67 is also not coming. Okay, so with 2 it will not divisible, with 3, with 5 and with 7. It is not divisible by any of the prime numbers we have taken out. So 67 is a prime number. Okay. In the same way, we can find out for 139. So let's find out which is the square number which is just greater than 139. So if we will take the numbers which is near 139, suppose we will take 11 square. So 11 square is equal to 121. So 121 is less than 139. So this is not possible. Okay. Now if we will take 12. So 12 square is equal to 144. So 144 is greater than 139. So we will take this. Now what you have to do? You have to find out the prime numbers below 12. So prime numbers below 12 are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Okay. Last digit is 9. So it is not possible by 3. Then 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. So 3 is also not possible. Last digit is 9. It will not divisible by 5. Again not possible. Then with 7. 7 1 is 7. And then again it will not be divisible by 7, and with 11 also, 11 1 ja 11, and 29 again with 11 also it is not possible. So again 139 is a prime number. So by using these tips and tricks, you can easily find out whether a number is a composite number or prime number. Question number 7. There is a circular path around the sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Okay, so first draw the path in which they are moving. Suppose this is the circle. Okay, in this circle both Sonia and Ravi they are moving, and if this is the starting point, so the starting point A, they will start from this point and they will move in the same direction and at the same time. They start from the same point, they start at the same time, and after some time they will meet each other. So what is the time taken by Sonia? Sonia has taken 18 minutes and Ravi has taken 12 minutes. So who is moving faster? Definitely Ravi, because his speed is more. He is completing one round in 12 minutes, whereas Sonia is completing one round in 18 minutes. It means Ravi will move faster as compared to Sonia, but after some time they will meet at one point. Okay, so to find out this, what we have to do? We have to find out the least time they require to meet with each other. So to find out the least meeting time, so for the least meeting time, what we have to find out? LCM. And LCM of what? LCM of 18 and 12. Okay, so first find out the prime factorization of 18. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 2 into 3 to the power 2. And again prime factorization of 12, that is 2 into 2 into 3, so that is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3. Now when we will find out the LCM of 18 and 12, so LCM of 18 and 12 is equal to the highest power of the prime factor, so that is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2, 4 into 9, that is equal to 36 minutes. So after 36 minutes both Sonia and Ravi they will meet at one point. अगर आपको मेरा आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलना, और वीडियो हमेशा एंड तक जरूर देखिए, क्योंकि उसमें हमेशा मैं न्यू टिप्स और ट्रिक्स देती जाऊंगी. तो अगर आप वीडियो पूरा देखेंगे तभी आपको सारा चीज समझ में आएगा. सो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get my new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.